Hi everyone. Came to Walmart with my sister. Just wanted to show you a few things I'm picking up. On the bottom row of Walmart, and I'm believing I'm in the allergy section, they have this Ready in Case brand for 88 cents. This guaifenesin is for relieving chest congestion, and it thins and loosens mucus in the event you're going to maybe contract a flu or the flu or that nasty China flu. This is a really good thing to have on hand. You can also add a cough suppressant to it if you want. You can get a different thing and get a separate cough suppressant, but don't be caught without some guaifenesin, which is the expectorant which keeps things loose and can definitely help you to avoid getting pneumonia. So I'm also getting some of this cetrizine allergy just because it's 88 cents. Now I also love to get diphenhydramine, which if you look here, it's the same thing as Benadryl. Diphenhydramine, allergy relief, diphenhydramine, same thing. Look at the difference in the price. And also I wanted to show you something else. I like things dye-free, but when you come up here and compare the dye-free diphenhydramine at $3.44 to the diphenhydramine with the dye in it, you have to pay a lot more for them to leave the dye out. This is if you want to get the this capsule right here. It's a liquid gel, and it's the same amount of medicine. So if you want to get the caplet, it's a easy to swallow caplet. It's actually going to be the same price, 4 cents per pill for this diphenhydramine that's dye-free, and 4 cents for this diphenhydramine that's not dye-free. So I was looking here for the Respicare masks that are antiviral, and the woman told me they are all out of their masks since yesterday. As of yesterday, they haven't gotten any more in, and they're not thinking they're going to get them in anytime soon, probably. So this right here is a bacterial filtration mask, and greater than 99%, but of course bacterial does not mean viral. I don't think any mask filters the viral, but the antiviral face mask actually neutralizes the virus, according to them. That's not a bad price, but I don't need that. That's not what I was looking for. And then of course here's something else that everybody should be having is some of these nitrile exam gloves. And I'm probably going to go ahead and get, I don't like one size fits most. They don't ever fit me. So actually I'm probably not going to get them. You know what, I have a doctor's appointment this week. I'll probably just go, and since I have to wait in the office for the doctor, I'll just grab them out of his office. Oh, wait. Was this still recording? I know. Actually, I would probably ask him for some gloves, and I actually think I'm going to ask my doctor, the surgeon, what he recommends as far as masks. But that's it, and let me know. Did you find any masks, and do you have some gloves, and what did you prep today? Bye all, be blessed.